Okay, so that was our first example. We're going to look at another example. It has 576 thousandths divided by 3. So notice this one, the decimal doesn't have a whole number as part of it. It's just a decimal number. So, which number goes inside the house? The first person in line. So this is the first person in line. He's going to go inside the house. 0.576. And 3 goes outside the house. Okay. So just like last time, we're going to look at where a decimal is inside the house. Notice there's no decimal outside the house, otherwise we'd have to do something else. Look at where a decimal is inside the house and bring it straight up into our answer. That's a big decimal. So there's our decimal. And now we can just divide like normal, like it's not there. It's already in our answer. So 3 goes into 0, no times, hold our spot. 3 goes into 5, 1 time. Put our 1 right above the 5. 1 times 3 is 3. Bring 3 down here and then we subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Don't worry about the decimal, just bring the next number down, 7. So now 3 can fit into 27 9 times. Notice I put the 9 right above the 7. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 minus 27 is 0. So we're bringing down the 6. 3 can fit into 6 2 times. So I put the 2 right above the 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we are done. So my answer for 576 thousandths divided by 3 is 192 thousandths. Okay. I think we have time for one more example. 31 and 2/10 divided by 15. This one we're going to go a little faster because y'all should be getting the hang of it by now. 31 and 2/10 goes inside the house. 15 has to wait outside. Okay. We look at where our decimal is, bring it straight up, put it in our answer. Can 15 fit into 3? No. Hold my space. Can 15 fit into 31? Yes. How many times? 2 times. 15 times 2 is 30. 31 minus 30 is 1. So I ignored the decimal, I already dealt with it. Bring down my 2. Can 15 fit into 12? No. So this one's a little different than the other ones we did because it doesn't fit into there. We're going to put a 0 down. What do we do when we run out of numbers to bring down, but 15 times 0 was 0 and we still have 12 left down here? Well, remember, if we can add however many zeros after a number and it won't change it. For example, if I say I have 16 up here, 0.1, 16 and 1/10, I can add as many zeros as I want after the decimal and it doesn't change the answer at all. So what I have to do now is, since my decimal's already there, I can add a 0 at the end of this. So instead of 31 and 2/10, it's 31 and 20 hundredths. It's the exact same thing. I could add a million zeros if I wanted after that decimal, not before the decimal though. So I add a 0, and I bring my 0 down. So now we have, how many times does 15 fit into 120? So 15 fits into 120 exactly 8 times. 15 times 8 is 120. And if y'all didn't know that, you would just